Hi guys, welcome back to the Alpha Crypto channel where I talk about cryptocurrencies, airdrop, crypto news, everything in the crypto space. If it is crypto, I'm highly interested. If you're watching my channel for the first time, yes, you are highly welcome to this channel. Today I'll be talking about something very interesting. I made a video yesterday. I want to open that video quickly. The video is on my website. On my YouTube channel. Yes, of course, I have a website, knowledgeGapExpert.com. You can check it. We also post content on crypto. So I made this video yesterday, 13 hours ago. Shiryo Inu token, it has over 750 views and it's still doing massive numbers. Currently we have 2,560 subscribers. If you are yet to subscribe to our channel, hit the subscribe button, don't miss out. So as I was saying, I made this video and I promised I was going to do more research on this token. So I will talk about the white paper. I took my time to read the white paper. Now as the time I made that video yesterday, this token was 100% up. Today it is already extra 100%. It's now 209% up. So if anybody that bought it when I made the video yesterday would have gotten 100% return on investment already. And this token is relatively like a new token. I think it was listed like 2 weeks ago. Currently on the watch list of over 8,019 people with a fully diluted market cap of over $442 million. Trading right now on $28 million in the last 24 hours, which is a very massive amount of money, and this is like a 117% increase from the time I actually made that video till now. So I'll be talking about the white paper. I opened the white paper, I was looking through the white paper of this project, and the honesty, yeah, I made a video on this Nevada token. I just did that. You can go out and check it. This is it, to tell you guys that actually I was reading it. The tab is still open. Shiro Inu. This is more like a game token, right? And from the white paper, the information I've gotten here is that this token is community focused, that it has been launched on the Ethereum network, and they have plans to actually stay for long and build something worthwhile, so that they can be like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Floki. Like, they want to be known. Shiryo Inu wants to be known like all these other coins. Now, they according to them, they say they have a very good team, people selected from different areas that are very, very good, and they are going to be very active on Twitter and Telegram, where they'll be taking information and getting feedback from people, because the token is a community driven token, so they need to work with the community. Now, one thing about this token is that the game seems to be very interesting. Now, they said the concept of the game may change slightly as they progress, so they already have an idea of the game. Like, it is clear the game is more like a card game, and when you play the card game, you can get NFTs and stuff like that. you know However, they said they can adjust the game to make it more interesting, but the game is going to have a lot of difficulty level, so it will be very challenging and fun at the same time. So they said the concept for this game may change slightly as we progress through development, but ultimately we envision a full functional DAPP that allows for the minting of trading packs. Each trading pack will contain a random combination of cards. The first collection to launch will be the Shiriyo collection. There are 5 random cards to be minted in each pack. As development progresses, the team plans to release more packs to further enhance the gameplay and users' enjoyment. So that is that on the card. Then they now said there will be 5 cards that will be minted per 5 random cards that will be minted per pack. That you know Basically, I don't want to be reading everything word for word. I'm picking points I like. Now they have different elements. You have the element card, you have the fire, the earth, the thunder, and the water. They said the weaker monsters require one of the appropriate season cards to be summoned. Stronger monsters require up to 8. We are still in the very early stage of development, so this project is just a project that has potentials, and it's a play to end game that when you are playing, you are earning tokens. The tokens can be exchanged for money, so you can make money from this. The guys in the system, they really want to sit down and do something. They have a very beautiful roadmap. Now, the first part of the roadmap is that they want to concentrate on the growth and the marketing alongside deployment of their smart contract and website creation. Until they've achieved this, then they will release designs for mock-up. They will do marketing and make this token more popular. Then the second phase is where they will be largely focused around the creation of the app to allow users to play the game. So I think this first phase is almost settled. I think they might still be in the first phase, but the second phase is now to create the game and stuff like that. While the third phase is to have a fully functional game launch and have their first pack of token to be minted. They've not gotten to that phase yet. I think they are still in the first, towards the latter part of the first stage, moving to the second stage, right? So basically, that's what they said about their token. Now look at this. I like what they wrote here. They said we are in the early stage in development, and we understand it is difficult to invest based on words alone. Yes, it's not easy. Like me, I don't like it when I'm investing in a project based on words. We are going to. They said, but therefore we will endeavor to deliver on our promises. This is a community focused token, and we are therefore always open to feedback. Be sure to stay in touch. Thanks for putting your faith in us. We will not let you down. Now, something I like about this token is the fact that they have locked over 95% of the token in their liquidity pool. So basically, they cannot rock pool, they cannot remove the money, and to at least to an extent, to a very large extent, you are all safe. And right now, with the way this token is going, people are investing money, so their market capitalization is increasing, is on a steady rise. So with that, I feel in the long run this is going to be very beneficial in the long run to a lot of people. If I copy this contract address now, right, because this is built on the Ethereum smart chain, I go to Etherscan and I paste it. I've done this yesterday, I want to do it today again so that you guys can see. You will see that a lot of people are actually buying this token, and so far I've not gotten anything to make me feel this token is fake or it's false. Look at this: 1 minute ago, 5 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 9 minutes ago, 10 minutes, 13 minutes, people are buying this token, and there's nothing for now that make me feel this is a fraudulent token. If we move from here, you come to the comment section, you're not going to see any comments like this token is fraudulent. This is somebody that have done a review of this token. I highly advise you to actually go and read this review. This review is knowledgegappexpert.com, so you can just go and search for knowledge gap expert. Look at this. I always have this review on my browser, so I've read through, and from this review too, I think the guy is attesting to the fact that this token has a lot of potentials. This is a Shiryo Inu. It's written by one Henry Modi. I'm going to click on this on knowledgegappexpert.com. I hope my network is gonna good. This is it. Let me see his conclusion. I cannot be reading everything he's saying here, but the review by a lot of people is telling you that this token is safe. He said Shiriyo is growing at a fast rate. The team gives you honest energy from the white paper. You can tell that they aren't trying to confuse you with nonsense, which is true. I can attest to that. They have a good plan and an achievable objective. Whether they stick with it is anybody's guess. Yes, if you are willing to risk and invest, make sure you confirm the time frame of the liquidity lock. One thing I'm sure is that many people will invest in this project as they are realizing the potentials of meme coins with strong communities. What I, however, don't like about the token is the fact that the developers are not doxed. For me, the biggest red flag among the red flag highlighted. However, the token is seemingly legitimate. Like the developers, you cannot see them; they are kind of anonymous, which I also said I don't like about it. But from the white paper that I read just now, I feel this token is worth giving a try. But make sure you risk as much as you can afford to lose in case anything goes wrong. I believe nothing is going to go wrong. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Majorly do your own research so that when I drop interesting content like this, you'll be among the first to see it. Bye for now. I hope to see you in my next video. You can come to this knowledge gap expert. They post a lot of coin. You can follow them. You can sign up. You can join their Twitter and stuff like that. That is that, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.